And I can fix it. Only thing as of now, I know that the next on the reopening, I have a single bench for the next 2 weeks. Thereafter, I don't know. The problem is because of unavailability of the bench, these pattern matters are not getting over. So
We'll try on 5th, Your Lordship.
you are there at the side in that.
I
No.
will not take something from the petition side.
As prayed for by Mr. A. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petition.
Respondents 2, 3, and 4.
Respondent
Two,
with
three, and
consent, respondent number 2, 3, and 4 with consent from the other side, relist on such and such date for further hearing.
Much obliged. It will be a part of the Lordship.
May it
Much
please,
obliged.
Lordship, with regards to item number 13 of the list, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have some personal difficulty in conducting this matter today, Your Lordship.
This is not part heard before this.
No,
bench.
not part of Your Lordship. Item number 13.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. T. Kashyap,
Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist
Lordship, on February 1st week,
the
4th of it.
on such and such date. Yes.
Much obliged.
May I please, my lord? I beg to mention item number 6, my lord. Kindly adjourn the matter for the day, my lord.
Mr. Barua, you were there in that matter.
For the respondent side.
Do you want your for forest or PCB?
PCP.
PCB can take a number to as Barua. Yes.
My lord, item number 6, my lord.
Item number
6, my lord. Matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord.
it was second week of November. Yeah. Yes. What do you want?
Adjournment for the day, my lord.
Have you informed the other side? Water Resource Finance
My lord, the Angus Council might have informed because
might have it.
yes, my lord, because
You are mentioning a matter out of turn and you are not even sure.
my lord.
Standing councils are to be informed also. Then you wait, let them come. Yes, next.
My lord.
You be here, your matter will be called out.
My lord.
At that time, this court will accommodate you. If you want to make a mention, kindly inform the other side. You cannot take the counsels for the other side by surprise. Yes.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 7. The conducting counsel, Mr. B. Pathak, is in bereavement.
As prayed for by MS
A. Bora.
A. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Pathak, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner with consent from the other side, on the ground that Mr. B. Pathak is on bereavement, relist on such and such date. After 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
2 weeks fine.
Date depot. Next.
Nice.
For admission, item number 1.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? The Lordship, matter pertains to area salary, Lordship. The petitioner's husband, he worked as a junior engineer in Donka Mukam Town Committee, Lordship, which we have made party recently by filing an IA.
They are appearing or not?
Lordship, the PSC.
Who is the newly impeded respondent?
Lordship, the respondent number 4, the Donka Mukam Town Committee, Lordship.
Who is appearing for them? Notice issued or not?
Yes, Lordship, notice issued, Lordship. Lordship, pardon, Lordship. Steps has been taken, Lordship.
Notice what issue?
Notice? Issue notice to the yes, issued on 39. What happened thereafter? Have you checked the office note or not?
Oh, that's Lordship.
No.
No.
Why? You leave everything to the court. Completed.
Completed, yes.
Yes. Yes.
So, Lordship, after his death, Lordship, the Lordship may come to pay point number 4, Lordship. These the total amount is, Lordship, 10 lakhs 8,730 rupees, Lordship.
You are seeking direction for releasing of the area salary of
Yes,
your
Lordship.
husband.
Yes, Lordship.
10 lakhs. 10 lakhs.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Why are you not releasing the area salary?
Part payment has been done, Lordship.
How much out of 10 lakhs?
2,83,000.
That is very less.
92, Lordship.
And why are you taking so much time? Is that admitted?
No.
Huh?
Is admitted.
Then why are you taking time? Good. Flags. Flags then lunch again. Come on. Yes. Yes, Miss Kemprai.
Lordship.
You
in-
have to come up with something.
Lordship instructions.
If you keep staring at
present
the
status-
court, I cannot help you. I understand you are also emphatically to the to the petitioner. I fully understand that. I'm sure you are. So now the question is within what time frame you can release the arrear salary? Give us a time frame. Because you simply saying 2 lakhs have been given out of 10 lakhs is not no good.
Lordship may pass the appropriate order, Lordship.
Appropriate order what?
Lordship may give the time frame, Lordship. because
Where
the
do we get the admission?
Our lordship.
Where do we find that this is admitted salary? That this due is admitted? Where have they admitted? There's no affidavit filed.
Lordship, if you may come to lordship, page number 21, lordship.
21.
Yes, Lord, last page, lordship, and it's 7, lordship. It is a letter issued by the Donkamukam Town Committee, lordship, stating that that there is a against the deceased name, there are rupees 10 lakhs 8,730 rupees will be released.
So this
to-
says will be released to his wife into monthly basis
Yes, Lord.
from the fund of grant in aid of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council DFO. Now this amount, you are for the council. So you must have already given this grant in aid. Now the town committee says they will release it,
Yes, Lord.
but they are saying monthly. What monthly? That is no good. And today they are not appearing. And it has been pending since when?
Lordship, pending is 2017, lordship.
2000?
17, lordship.
Where do I get that?
Yes, Lord, but he
I'm
did-
trying. I'm going to dispose this. That's why I want these dates. Huh?
Yes, lordship.
Give
Lordship,
me.
the A salary has been pending from lordship the month of May 2010 to February 2015, lordship.
Where do I get it?
Lordship, point number 4, lordship.
Point number 4.
Pa-
Where?
yeah, this one.
Page.
Look,
Where are
uh,
you reading?
5, lordship, page
Page
number 5.
5.
Yes, lordship.
Don't be nervous, Mr. Counsel. What is your name?
A Saranya.
Huh?
A Saranya, lordship.
Saranya.
Yes,
Mr. Saranya, you will get a good order. Now, I want you to give me the facts because I have to author a judgment.
Yes, lordship.
That is why I am asking. So, calmly give me the dates. You know it.
Yes, lord.
Page 5.
Yes, lord.
This is this chart.
Let's go with the chart.
Lordship, they have filed an additional affidavit where they have given the breakdown of the salary of the month. Lordship, it's in
1 second.
additional 17 to
1 second, Ms. Tempra. Where is the additional affidavit?
17 to 2023.
What do you want to point out from here?
Month for which the salary has not been paid. It's in page 24.
I think this is also given in the para page 5,
Like,
isn't it?
it's different.
All right, it's different.
Yeah.
The figure is same. Regarding the clear picture. Okay. Heard Mr. A.H. Na? A for Assam. Mr. A. Saranial, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.
As compliant.
S. Compry, Learned Standing Counsel, KAC.
Lordship.
Stop. Though notice has been, though service in respect of respondent number 4, as per the order dated, as per the office note dated 28/7/2025 stands complete, none enters appearance on call today. For the respondent number 4 মিলি যে কৈছা তাত লেখা for the newly impleaded respondent number 4, i.e. Donkamukam Town Committee. Okay. The brief facts of the case is that the petitioner, by way of the instant writ petition, seeks release of the arrear salary of her husband, I late Pranab Kumar Soikia, amounting to rupees 10,08,730. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that the petitioner's husband served as a junior engineer in Donkamukam Town Committee since June 1989. And during service, he died on 11/2, no, full stop. He died in harness on 11/2/15, leaving behind the petitioner and one son. It is the specific case of the petitioner that though the husband of the petitioner was appointed on regular basis, but he was not paid his salary regularly along with other staffs of DTC due to non-availability of required fund for salary, due to which an arrear salary since the month of May 2010 to February 2015 to the tune of rupees 10,08,730 stood due to the petitioner's husband. It is the further case of the petitioner that after the death of the petitioner's husband, she visited the office of the DTC on several times and requested the chairman and the executive officer of the DTC to release the arrear salary of her husband. However, till date, the arrear salary having not been paid, the present writ petition has been filed. Mr. So-and-so submits that the arrear salaries claimed by the petitioner in respect of her husband is admitted by the DTC, and the same only due to non-availability of funds have not been released till date. MS so-and-so fairly submits that the KAC, DIFU, has no objection for the release of the arrear salaries to the petitioner inasmuch as the same is admitted by the DTC. Correct? Heard the learned counsels appearing, no. She further submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, out of the arrear salary amounting to rupees 10,08,730, an amount of rupees
83,292.
2083, na?
And 283,
283,
292.
292 has been released to the petitioner. Right. This you have received or not?
Yes, Lordship.
It would be worth mentioning that Mr. So-and-so, Saronia, admits receiving of the said amount of so-and-so post filing the writ petition. Heard peruse kori diba. It appears that the petitioner's husband was appointed on regular basis, but he was not paid his salary regularly due to non-availability of required fund for salary. It appears that due to the irregular payment of salary, several months' salary became arrear. Full stop. The year-wise breakup. So this, I will take this chart from where? From the additional affidavit. Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
No, this doesn't say. This breakup is, I think the breakup only says year and month.
Because some months have been paid and some. has
No,
not
but
been.
this you see page 4, page 4, paragraph 4. This breakup seems to be giving this figure of 10,8. So should I put this chart?
What should I put this chart?
I think this chart would be better, Ms. Kemprive. Huh? The year-wise breakup and total receivable salary amount is as follows. Quote unquote, page 5 of the writ petition, A to A. It appears that despite the petitioner, after the death of her husband, having represented before the respondent authorities for release of the arrear salary, the same has not been paid to her, and only after filing the writ petition, an amount of 2 so-and-so has been released. It further appears from the letter dated 21/8/2017 issued by the executive officer of the DTC that they have decided to release the arrear pending salary of the petitioner's husband amounting of rupees 10,08730 to the petitioner into monthly basis from the Fund of Grant and Aid of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, DIFU. What transpires from the above is that since 2010, part salary of the petitioner's husband has been remains unpaid. Non-available remains stop. There appears no objection. No. It is further established that the aforesaid claim of the petitioner is admitted by the respondents. The only reason for which the part payment of the salary having not been paid till date is due to non-availability of fund. Non-availability of fund cannot be a ground for non-payment of salary to the petitioner's husband. This court accordingly is of the opinion that this writ petition deserves to be allowed and the respondents be directed to release the pending salary after adjusting whatever amount has been paid post filing of the writ petition to the petitioner within 3 months from today. Ordered accordingly, writ petition stands allowed.
Nice, Lordship.
Number 2.
The pass it over for the time being, Your Lordship.
Time being, all right.
May it please the Lordship,
Time being,
we have filed an affidavit, it's not on record. So maybe in fact, even if it's timing, they have to file a reply. We just filed it yesterday.
have you received?
Yes.
Who is coming? BP Bora.
Mr. BP Bora. I've told BP Bora. Mr. BP Bora.
All right, let him come. Wait, yes.
Item 3.
My Lord, I have a matter in item number, code number 18. I may attend, my Lord. I may 18, in code number 18, I have a matter.
But you ask someone to be there.
Item 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we are about to file an affidavit in reply, Lordship.
You want some time?
Yes,
As prayed for by Mr.
Argun,
R.
Gohai.
Gohai, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, relist after relist 3 weeks of the time did you released on such and such date to enable the writ petitioner file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition filed by affidavit in opposition filed by you don't know. You are going to file reply to whom? To a ghost affidavit. Yes, Mr. Gohai.
Lordship. Respondent number 5 and 6, Lordship.
5 and 6.
Item number 4.
None appears on call, released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 5.
My lord, matter may be passable for the day. Conducting counsel is out of the station.
All right. You are for the petitioner. MS, your name?
N. Chaudhary.
MSN Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition. Are you there? Otherwise, in this case, you're
Yes.
there. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the conducting counsel, Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, is out of station and accordingly seeks for a short accommodation.
For 2 weeks.
Prayer is allowed to relist 2 weeks of the date on such and such date. Yes.
Item number 6.
My Lord, may kindly
Yes.
pass over the matter for today, my Lord.
For the
Day, my Lord.
your name?
A. Basumatari, my Lord.
As prayed for by Mr. A. Basumatari, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Matter stands adjourned for the day,
My Lord.
which is not objected by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for the day. Lists on such and such date. Next,
9 February.
give a date in all matters. There are
Yes, ma'am.
instructions for listing matters on particular dates. So ensure the courtmaster, you ensure I may forget. We have this habit of saying list after such and such date for the registry because we don't know on which date how many matters are fixed. We generally leave it to the registry, but some instructions I think has come for which we need to now fix dates. So you give a date, huh? Ensure in all matters dates are given. Yes.
My Lord.
Item number 8.
Yes. None appears on call after 3 weeks. Next.
Item number 9.
None appears on call. Oh, you're there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Transfer?
Yes, just for order. What has happened in this case, Lordship, this petitioner has been working in the Dholai BPHC.
Hmm?
Now, Dholai Medical College, the BPHC.
Hmm.
Now, on 13/3/2024, a promotional order was issued transferring the petitioner to Eskeroy Civil Hospital at Hailakandi to officiate as superintendent. It is that Annexure 1, Lordship, page number 20.
You've been transferred from where to where, Mr. Chaudhary?
Dholai to Hailakandi on the very first date.
Dholai.
Yes,
DHO?
LAI
Dholai
to
to
Hailakandi,
Hailakandi. What post?
as secretary. It is there, Lordship, in page number.
No, I'm just
20
taking a
20.
note
Yes,
as secretary.
yes, secretary.
And on the very first day,
And now what is,
huh?
Lordship?
You said very first day.
No, the first, this is the order which has been put to challenge before this honorable court, Lordship.
That I'm not asking, but
Yes.
You've been in Dholai for some time,
Yes,
isn't it?
for
How
some time.
much?
Around,
Since 1989, my lord.
no, there were certain court cases also.
I'm-
Percentage, yes.
Why, Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes, yes.
Why is it so? Why councils
Since the
get so
date of his joining,
intimidated with,
No, no, I am
with
not
the
intimidated.
judges asking questions?
No, no, I'm just
I don't
placing.
know anything.
Exactly, Lordship, exactly.
I'm only asking because I
Exactly.
Relevant question.
correct.
Yes. Now,
Just answer that.
exactly, Lordship. Now,
And then I shall not do anything without hearing counsel.
exactly.
So you will
Now,
get your term.
what has
One
happened?
second, 1989, na?
Yes, my lord. Since the date of his joining, my lord.
1989. And this impugn transfer order is dated?
It is at annexure 9, Lordship.
Dated, Mr. Chaudhary?
7/9/2024.
7/9/24.
2024. Yes,
Okay, now you can
exactly.
address the court.
Exactly, Lordship. Now, what is,
I think affidavits and so I'm taking it up for final disposal.
Exactly.
I'm making it clear.
exactly.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
And one IE is also pending, Lordship. For last 1 year, he has not received the salary also. Lordship.
If I dispose it
Yes.
of everything will go.
Exactly.
Yes.
Now, what has happened, Lordship, the annexure 1, page number 20, this particular order was issued,
Page number
20, Lordship, on 4th of March 2024. Page 20.
yes.
4th of March 2024,
Yes.
where in column number 10, it has been mentioned that Dr. Dilip Pal, SDM HO.
You are Dilip Paul.
Yes, he is requested to hand over the charge of SDM HO, Dholai BPHC immediately to Mr. Manoj such and such, Deputy Superintendent such and such, and the proceed Hailakandi district such and such. So this is the transfer order, annexure 1, Lordship. Now, what has happened, Lordship, during the.
Is this the transfer order?
Yes, Lordship.
14.3.
Yes, the first transfer order, which has been put to challenge before this honorable court.
There are more transfer orders.
Subsequent to that, there are another transfer order.
No, but this, the undermentioned copy of so and so is forwarded in paper so and so, then. His requests. This is only the transfer
Hmm,
order. What is written down?
Yes,
Okay.
SDM HO Dholai BPHC as Superintendent Eskera Civil Hospital,
Okay.
Hailakandi. Promotional place of posting.
Hmm.
Now, during that period of time, Lordship, the father of the petitioner was seriously ill. So, the petitioner had submitted one representation. It is at annexure 1, page 21. The representation was for prayer for promotional order.
Hmm.
He was
Yes.
inclined to forego that promotion on the ground of the health condition of his brother. For Lordship, kindly see the page 21, annexure 2.
Hmm.
This is the representation. In the subject, he has made a mention that prayer for review of promotional order to the post of Superintendent Eskera Civil Hospital, Hailakandi on humanitarian ground. So he has made a mention in view of the facts stated above. I'm not narrating the entire facts. The last paragraph, I would fervently request you, Honor, kindly to consider my case favorably and to arrange posting at District Kachar against the vacant post of CMO CD Kachar Silchar, so as to enable me to perform duty without any mental agony and also rendering service to my father as well, and for which act of kindness I shall remain ever grateful to you. So this is the prayer made before the concerned authority because his father was seriously ill, bedridden condition. He was 91 years of age at that point of time. It is there in the very first paragraph, Lordship. Now the wife of the petitioner,
You wanted to continue staying in Dholai.
Dholai, Lordship, or any other place at Kachar district, not at Hailakandi, Lordship,
Hmm.
which is near to Dholai, Lordship.
Hmm. How far is Hailakandi?
Hailakandi, it will take around 50-60 kilometers, Lordship.
How many hours?
It will take around
Plus 3 hours?
2-3 hours. Road condition is also not very good.
Yes.
Now the next page, Lordship, page number 22, annexure 3. This is another representation
Yes, I've seen.
before the joint secretary. That was by the wife of the petitioner.
Yes.
Now what has happened, Lordship, the page number 24.
Yes.
This is the annexure
Promoted.
5. No, Lordship, annexure 5.
Yes.
A communication has been issued from the joint secretary that with reference to the above, I am directed to state that you were promoted to officiate as superintendent
That's
Eskera
right.
Civil
That you have
Hospital.
promoted. This.
No,
Huh?
but was directed to join in the new place of posting 7 days, but you are yet to join in your new place of posting. In view of the above, you were directed to join in your new place of posting within 7 days. Without considering the representation, Lordship, what I have annexed, with regard to the health condition, that show cause notice has been issued.
Hmm.
Now, subsequent to that, Lordship, I am not referring to other annexure.
Hmm.
Now, if your Lordship kindly see page number 26, annexure 7,
Show cause.
show cause.
Hmm.
Now, the show cause has been issued saying that you are hereby required to show cause under Rule 9 of the.
Because you have not joined your
Exactly.
place of posting.
You join that particular
Hmm.
post.
Hmm.
Now, when this particular show cause notice I have received, the statement of allegation is also there, Lordship,
Hmm.
it's page number 28.
Hmm.
Now, I have submitted my representation.
29.
29 is the representation, Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly to go through my prayer along with my wife relating to relief as considered necessary for survival of mine, along with my dependents, so that we face no troubles in future for no fault of mine, along with my
Along with my wife means?
wife, Lordship, she is also having some medical issue, Lord. But
Okay.
then Lordship, the page number 30, annexure 7, another,
Show cause.
another show cause with regard to that particular show cause, he submitted his reply.
Oh, this is reply.
Yes, Lordship.
This 30 is reply.
30 is reply, 30, 31 is the
Okay.
reply. Now, pursuant to that, Lordship, annexure 32, annexure
Yes.
10, page number 32.
Yes.
Another order has been issued. The previous order remains with
This
regard
is
to Hailakandi.
7-9.
With regard to Hailakandi, now on 7th of September 2024. 7th of September 2024, just after 5 or 6 months, another order has been issued.
Majuli.
Yes, from District Leprosy Officer Majuli Lordship. Now, without taking into consideration the health issue of my father, without this
How
particular.
far is Majuli now from Dholai?
This is from Dholai, that means in Kachar district. From
How-
Kachar
how-
district
how
to
much?
Majuli.
How much?
It will around 300, 400 kilometers.
That is further.
Far away from the Hailakandi. That order remains. They have not modified that order.
No,
But
they have modified. No?
exactly.
They have
But
modified.
but
It
that
is, he is directed to proceed his modified place of
exactly.
posting
Lordship.
on promotion
Hmm.
immediately as he has been promoted and posted as district
Leprosy
leprosy
officer.
officer Majuli,
Majuli.
and also stand released by the government.
Yes.
Further, he is directed to hand over the charge of so and so Dholai, where you never joined, or did
No.
you join later?
I was there at Dholai.
No,
I did not
correct,
join,
correct,
yes.
correct. Sorry,
Yes.
from Dholai
Dholai.
to so and so. So therefore, that period from in March 24,
Yes.
when you got your promotion order from Dholai to Hailakandi, you never joined.
Exactly, Lordship.
No?
Yes.
For which you started giving representations, they
yes.
started giving show cause notice,
Exactly.
you replied. And in that interim period, finally they modified your posting from Hailakandi to
Majuli.
Majuli.
Yes.
This is the
Exactly.
fact.
This is the crux of the issue.
Okay,
Lordship.
okay.
Now, what has happened, Lordship, in the writ petition, we have challenged that particular order. This one, the annexure
In
10,
this, you are challenging 32 order,
32 order.
not the
Not the
Hailakandi.
other one. Now 32 order, because it has been already been modified. So this particular previous order is not there. So they have modified this order. So I'm supposed to join from Dholai to Majuli. So
Now,
this particular order has been put to challenge. This promotional order or the transfer order.
is there any stay?
Yes, stay order is there. On that very first date, Lordship, that was on 23/9/2024. Status quo as on today should be maintained. But unfortunately, I was not allowed to work at Dholai.
Dholai.
Yes. And for
No, therefore you are not getting salary.
exactly for last 1 year, no salary has been paid to me. I've
What
not
is
been
the
allowed
stand
to.
of the government?
And the stand of the government, they have filed the affidavit.
Hmm.
Only ground is that I have been working in that particular place of posting. That means at Dholai for a long period of time, and that is the reason why they have transferred me to.
That is, of course, what
Exactly,
we
Lord.
said.
I
And it is not a transferable job.
exactly.
In fact, initially you have been given a place which is near also.
Exactly, Lordship. But the thing is that my
And you
represent-
never went.
my
You were
represent-
adamant of not joining.
no, Lordship. The
You
fact
could have joined and requested,
Exactly.
but you did not do that.
That is the Supreme Court judgment.
You never did that.
no, Lordship.
You kept on staying at Dholai.
SC Saxena, my lord, Supreme Court judgment.
No judgment.
Citation.
Citation
I don't
2006.
You shouldn't have done that, no, Mr. Chaudhary. That you didn't do. Now you see, now they have taken you far away,
Majuli.
Majuli.
Exactly, Lordship.
But Mr. Bora,
Yes, my lord.
why Majuli then?
My lord, we have in our affidavit.
You see,
we have-
I understand.
Yes,
I
my lord.
understand that it's a transferable job. And it appears that the transfer is here. I don't think he has alleged malafide or anything.
No.
No,
He's,
no.
I don't think, right? His only thing is that you are not considering my request.
Yes.
I have a genuine problem. Now, probably you could have disposed of his saying that,
Exactly.
well, Hailakandi is not that far, you
Then
stay at Hailakandi.
Kachar is also there, Lordship. The-
Whatever, you see,
Yes.
we cannot direct the
No,
government
I'm not
that
saying, I'm not
this is
saying
the
that.
place where you will have to
Exactly,
be
Lordship.
posted.
Now, in the representative.
Isn't
he
it?
made a-
If they have chosen Hailakandi for you, they must have chosen that because of some reasons.
Reason.
It is for their wisdom.
Yes.
It is this court cannot substitute for that unless, of course, this court finds there are extraneous consideration. That is not even your case. There is no mala fide urged.
No.
But my only thing, Mr. Bora, is why now to Majuli?
My lord, in our affidavit, we have stated, my lord.
You have stated that reason.
Yes,
Where,
my
where,
lord,
where?
because the exigencies of service, my lord, because what.
No,
it is not-
that all I understand. But Hailakandi, he was already given. Now, why you have changed
His
that?
representation in our affidavit, we have stated on his representation, he was called, he was given a personal hearing also, my lord. and-
He wanted some place
He
near.
wanted to stick to his Kasar only, my lord.
Correct.
Incidents of service and doctors, my
You
lord,
see,
in medical.
you see, Mr. Bora,
Yes, my lord.
and I have also not looked into
my
everything,
lord.
but what looks like is that I think because he's not doing it, now you have sent him much far. That
Because of that.
appears to
Exactly.
be a
Not
bit.
Because of that, it is not.
Why don't you take a fresh call on his representation? If you need, you put him in Hailakandi only.
No, my lord.
Why further?
It is not, because my lord, after his representation, when he was transferred to Hailakandi, he filed representation, he was called, he was given a personal hearing, and thereafter he was asked to join in Hailakandi.
Which he did not.
He did not, my lord.
That's why you give him a show cause.
Misconduct, my lord.
Then I have
And there-
considered.
thereafter, my lord, it is not his single transfer order. There were 27 orders passed together, my lord, promotion and posting. And while promoting and posting, my lord, many other things are considered.
Give me the paragraphs of your affidavit.
My lord,
And did you give that guy case? That Saxena's case?
yes, my lord.
What I said? Give me paragraphs. What is your stand?
Yes, my lord. My lord, paragraph 5 is also relevant, but yeah, for that time.
Yes, you give me.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 6, my lord, page 37, my lord. Your report.
Page?
Page 37, continuation page, my lord.
No, what is this I'm reading then? Oh, this is an affidavit reply.
Yes, my lord.
Page 37.
Yes.
Yes.
As regards the statements made in paragraph 3 of the petition, your deponent states that upon receipt of a petition from so-and-so, wife of Dr. Dilip Pal, that is the petitioner, my lord. The petitioner was called by the Joint Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department and was heard in person and was there directed to join at his promotional place of posting as Superintendent S.K. Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi. Inasmuch as the transfer was in public interest and in keeping with administrative exigencies. It may also be mentioned that though it was claimed in the representation that it would not be possible for him to move due to serious ailments of my father-in-law aged 91 years and is totally bedridden and undergoing treatment by my husband with consultation with the specialist doctors of Silchar Medical College Hospital. But this promotional transfer will necessarily affect the treatment of my father-in-law if he has to move to Hailakandi by now. However, no medical certificates pertaining to the father of the petitioner duly signed by government doctor as per rules. Because in medical condition, they have to furnish supporting documents, my lord. Supporting such facts of being ill or being required attention of the petitioner having such serious illness have been submitted, for which veracity of the such fact could not be ascertained, and also the fact that such non-submission is not in keeping with official procedure as any representation of medical reason, be it leave or any consideration of any government order like transfer needs to be supported by medical certificates duly signed by the government doctor who has full knowledge and capacity to assess the medical condition. Then, my lord, next para is also relevant. Your deponent states that it is a fact that having heard upon the representation dated 15/3/2024, as stated above, and having been directed to join the promotional posting, the petitioner, rather than carrying out the transfer order, did not join the place of posting. It may be mentioned here that transfer of government servants appointed to a particular cadre of transferable post from one place to another is incidence of service. No government servant has legal right to be at a particular place of posting. Transfer from one place of posting to another is necessary in public interest and efficiency of public administration. Whenever a public servant is transferred, he must comply with the order. Also, his representation for staying having heard, he was directed to join here and he must carry out order of transfer, and by failing to comply to transfer order, he had exposed himself to disciplinary action under 11 rules. It may be mentioned here that personnel department OM number so and so clearly directs the officials to comply with the transfer orders so that public services are not hampered. So his conduct of refusal to join his place of posting is not only defying order of the authority but also violation of relevant guidelines and rules of government. Moreover, no government can function if the government servant insists that once appointed or posted in a particular place of position, he should continue as long as he desires. In fact, since his joining of service, the petitioner has been working in and around Dholai BPSC. Under Kasar district, since joining his service as medical and health officer 1 at Vidya Ratanpur MPSC under Dholai PPSC on 12/4/1989. Even though he was transferred to different places earlier, he hardly worked in those places for more than 3 months. For instance, in the year 2007, he was promoted and transferred as senior medical and health officer Lakhipur BPSC by notification number so and so dated 19/2007. And he joined on 2002/3/2007. He worked in Lakhipur for 74 days and again returned and joined and by BPSC as so and so on 15/5/2007. In pursuance of government letter number so and so. In the year 2015, by government notification number so and so, the petitioner was again transferred and posted in the same capacity at Lala PHC. But instead of complying with the transfer order, the petitioner proceeded on earned leave for 30 days on account of his father's illness. He then submitted earned leave application from time to time to Joint Director Health Service Kasar. After expiry of leave, he joined at Lala PHC on 3/31/12/2025, worked there for 25 days, and again upon promotion to the post of SDM and HO Dholai PPHC by government notification number so and so dated 41/2016, he unilaterally joined at Dholai PPHC on 25/1/2016. In the year 2018, the petitioner was transferred and posted in the same capacity in Nilam Bazar BPSC, Karimganj by the order number so and so dated 1/6/2018. As he did not comply with the aforesaid order, government again by speaking order number so and so dated 14/9/2018 instructed him to hand over the charges of SDM and HO Dholai BPSC and proceed to Nilam Bazar BPSC Karimganj. But the petitioner did not join in Nilam Bazar BPSC. Instead, he filed a writ petition by WPC number so and so before the Honorable High Court, challenging the aforesaid transfer order. The Honorable Guwahati High Court was pleased to pass an interim order on 26/11/2018 not to move the petitioner in pursuant of an order. The writ petition was disposed of on 6/9/2021, and the Honorable Guwahati High Court was pleased to pass the final judgment that this court is of the opinion that the interim order can be made absolute, which is accordingly done.
No,
And
but
also-
where is that part about Majuli?
Majuli, your lordship will find.
Where is that part?
Yes, my lord.
What made you modify? These things are okay.
Yes, my lord, that
Hmm.
part, that portion, that paragraph starts from page 41, last paragraph, my lord.
Huh. But it's just a, thereafter the petitioner continued to work at Dholai. Upon his promotional transfer, this is so and so, again upon his. But upon his is okay, but why?
That relevant Majuli portion,
Hmm.
your lordship, that paragraph starts from the last paragraph of page 41.
Yes,
Even in the present case,
yes, yes.
of
Gross-
his
gross
transfer to promotional post of Superintendent SK Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi, the petitioner had the opportunity of being heard, and he also had to follow administrative guidelines for transfers as is stipulated in the Personnel Department's OM dated 25/11/2024, 19/2/2015, and 2/8/2005, which the petitioner did not follow. That means, my lord, he has to file representation, he has to join and then file representation.
Yes.
In fact, as reported by the Joint Director of Health Services Majuli, that the petitioner has not joined as District Leprosy Officer Majuli, which is nothing but gross indiscipline on his part. The transfer of the petitioner as District Leprosy Officer Majuli was also in public interest, as Majuli needs doctors for patient care as reported, and that after assessing upon the fact that being remote such place like Majuli need doctors in keeping with government policy of accessible and affordable health care for all, especially the poor and the vulnerable, and so the transfer of the petitioner to Majuli as district leprosy officer was in public interest. And not only the petitioner, 27 officers, my lord, along with promoted and posted, my lord.
Where? Different places.
Yes, my lord, different places, my lord, altogether.
So he is a doctor,
Yes, my lord.
medical officer.
Yes.
Yes.
And my lord, as Supreme Court has held that, my lord, the transfer, because transfer is the incidence of service, my lord, and right from his date of joining, he is there only in the near or the Dholai.
Mr. Chaudhary,
Yes, Lordship.
you see, your conduct as such is something which is weighing against you. You are before an equity court, right? The fact that you were adamant not to join in your post, it was not a post which was very far also. It was only 2 to 3 hours distance. You could have taken that post and thereafter
Yes.
carried on with your representations and everything. And if that is not considered, you could have come to court also. You could have taken that route, right? But you chose not to take that route.
No, but the fact is that, Lordship.
You
yes.
chose not to take that route. And one cannot also overlook that you have been in Dholai since 1989.
Yes.
That cannot be overlooked, isn't it? But you continued. You did not comply. You did not unilaterally. You've taken charge also at Dholai. Now all these goes against your conduct, and you are before an equity court. Now they have sent you to Majuli. Look, it appears it is on administrative exigencies.
No, they have
Pub-
not given any explanation. with
That
regard
is
to this.
given.
Yes.
It appears.
No.
Public interest
after
is
modification of
public
this, yes.
interest appears to be involved because
Exactly.
there are requirement of doctors in Majuli. They've stated in note.
Yes.
You have not alleged malafied.
But the,
No, now what I am thinking
Yes.
is I don't find your conduct. Now I can go into that
Yes, my lord.
and dismiss the petition. But what I am thinking is I will.
leave it to the authority.
I know I'm not going to do that. I will, at this moment, I will obviously not grant you this relief, but give you the liberty that after joining, you resubmit your representation and let them take a emphatical, approach, deal with it emphatically, considering the problems that you're facing. And you must enclose a medical certificate with it also.
No, at the time of personal hearing, that was done. Lordship.
I don't know about all that.
Exactly.
I'm giving you
The
that fresh.
record is produced. the
I am,
yes.
if you both are agreeable, we can stop the hearing now and do this. And otherwise, you are most welcome to carry on. But this is what I am thinking I will do. Because your conduct is also not.
Lordship, one point.
I have expressed my mind.
Lordship.
So
I'm obliged to that, Lordship. But the
that
fact
is what I
Lordship,
think is the
No.
best that can be done, because I am also aware of the fact what I'm not liking is that why now Majuli? That's too far.
Exactly, Lordship.
I have
That is
understood.
the main question.
I have
Lordship.
understood.
Exactly.
But then at the same time, your conduct is also such.
That conduct I can understand.
You see,
Conduct is not
and-
depreciating.
no, and then this is an equity court. I cannot overlook your conduct. It's a transferable job. You've been there since 1989.
But
Yes or no?
exactly, Lordship.
So you could have gone to Dholai. You could have objected from there. You didn't do that.
The thing is,
So,
Lordship.
so only for that. And yes, which paragraph
Paragraph 6, my lord. Paragraph 6.
of Saxena?
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph 6.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, instead of Majuli, Lordship, I'm ready to go any other place.
So
Because-
you see, this is not for the writ court to now decide.
Exactly, Lordship.
That
No,
is why
the representation.
you see, that is why I have said
Exactly.
I am ready. I am willing to add that much in favor of the petitioner, considering, because you see, at the end of the day, we all have to be also empathetical to each other. Empathy is
But the
something we cannot
unfortunate part is
overlook.
that Lordship, he had submitted the representation citing the very reasons of his father. That was never been taken into account.
You see, that is
Instead
why
of
I'm
that,
saying,
proposed notice was
no,
issued,
but
which
you
was-
see,
was-
they are saying that you have not given any medical.
No, that was given Lordship.
certificate.
At the time of
We don't
person-
know on.
Exactly,
in
Lordship.
the
At the time of
audit,
personal
in
hearing,
the
that was given
affidavit, it
Lordship.
says,
Personal hearing, when the.
paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6, my lord.
Because what has prompted the authorities to take a call on the subsequent order?
In the first place, a government servant cannot disobey a transfer order by not reporting at the place of posting and then go to a court to ventilate his grievances. It is his duty to first report for work where he is transferred and make a representation as to what may be his personal problem.
Exactly.
This tendency of not reporting at the place of posting and indulging in litigation needs to be curbed. Apart therefrom, if the appellant really had some genuine difficulty in reporting for work at Tejpur, he could have reported for duty at Amritsar where he was so posted. We too decline to believe the story of his remaining sick. Assuming there was some sickness, we are not satisfied that it prevented him from joining duty either at Tejpur or at Amritsar. The medical certificate proves his point. In the circumstances, we too are of the opinion the appellant was guilty of the misconduct of unauthorizedly remaining absent from duty. I am also on that. I don't want to say so much of things. If I say, it will go against you. That is why I have indicated it immediately. Choice is yours. I am here till 4:30.
No, Lordship,
We can hear you
no,
till
since
4:30.
Lordship has already expressed the way the order will be
Because
passed.
otherwise, you only tell me
Exactly.
because of your
Exactly, Lordship.
conduct.
Only thing is that Lordship, for last 1 year, I have not received the salary in spite of a specific
That,
stay order.
uh,
Specific.
Joints there, that will be regular.
No, specific stay order of this honorable court, because the stay order was
Yeah,
there.
that I will
Yes.
leave,
No, no,
that,
by
that
law-
IA, maybe we can say in that IA that representation must be with them. So salary in accordance with law will be released.
And salary part regarding that, the
Mr.
status
Bora,
quo-
that if he in accordance with law, if anything is due to him, you have to release it. So I
Because
can
the
dis-
status quo order was there,
I
Lordship.
can
That-
suppose that
Exactly, Lordship.
he joins there, my lord, everything will be regularized, my lord.
No,
what is this, the other decision, 2004
That is my lord Govardhan Lal, where the principal, there is.
transfer?
Yeah, transfer. Govardhan Lal, my lord, which says that, my lord, when the transfer order is not vitiated by malice.
Para
Paragraph, my lord.
7. Yes, I think 7.
Yes, my lord. Three principles, my lord, that three principles are.
So they're well known, arbitrary and
Yes.
statutory provision,
Yes,
mana
yes, my lord,
fide,
that's
those
right.
three.
Yes, my lord.
The order of transfer made even in transgression of administrative guidelines cannot also be interfered with, as they do not confer any legally enforceable rights unless as noticed supra shown to be vitiated by malafides or is made in violation of any statutory.
Yes.
That is what you want to say.
Yes.
No, that is why I'm saying everything else. Only thing is that Mr. Bora, why Majuli?
Yes. that is the thing.
Ultimately, you see, I am not very. We know what is happening. Maybe because he was not taking his job at at Hailakandi at the end of the day. Because you see, ultimately now, you see, Mr. Bora, I can also interfere if I want.
Situation may be there.
Because it appears that he instead of keeping him at Hailakandi
Lord.
or to a place which is near Dholai,
There may
now
be
you
there.
have sent him very far.
As a
I
punishment.
don't know exact, but reason may be there. Probably, my lord, he is not in the good book of doctors, my lord. There may be some
See,
good doctors.
whatever,
And Majuli,
whatever.
what I am submitting, Majuli is a remote place. No one wants to go there. So doctors who are at the good.
Anyway,
my lord-
in this case, I'm not interfering.
Yes, my lord.
I don't feel because of the conduct of the
Yes, madam.
petitioner, so I'm not going that far.
Yes, my lord.
But otherwise, you let your authorities know if a representation is filed, that should be dealt emphatically.
Yes.
It should not be dealt with malice or any vindictiveness or
Yes.
prejudice. That should not be. just merely because he did not at that time when he was given a place which is about 2 to 3 hours, he did not go. That doesn't mean now you post him to a place which
It
is.
will take around 24 hours.
See, I have just indicated my mind.
Yes.
You see, it doesn't take too much for us also to understand what is behind the papers.
But that may be the reason.
Isn't it,
but I
Mr.
will-
Bora?
Yes, my lord. But that may
Yes.
also one of the reason, my lord.
That could be.
Yes, my lord.
It appears also.
Yes, my
That
lord.
could be.
Yes, my lord.
Because you see your page 42,
Yes, my lord.
twice, that's why I asked you.
Yes, my lord.
Where are the reasons for Majuli?
Yes, my lord.
You have said administrative agencies,
It
exigencies
is always
and.
there.
Uh-huh.
It is always there.
Yes, but not very convincing, let me
Yes.
tell you. But only because of the conduct of the petitioner,
Exactly.
I am not getting into all
Yes,
this
my lord.
right now.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise,
Yes, my lord.
it doesn't appear. At the end of the day, you have to be empathetic. When you are running an administration, you cannot allow any other consideration affect your decision.
Yes, my lord. Let him file a
Isn't
detailed
it?
representation, my lord.
Yes, Lord. I will-
Take it. Huh? Heard Mr. S.P. Chaudhary. SB. B,
SP,
na?
P.
P or B?
P.
Why here they have shown you B? Oh,
Uh,
acha, that is the earlier case. This is item 9, na?
Item 9.
Okay. S.P. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Health. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned transfer order dated 7/9/2024, whereby the petitioner has been transferred from the post of where do I get his post from the
Yes, Lordship. It is there in page number
from the post of SDM and HO?
HO. Dholai
Dholai what?
BPHC, Lordship.
B,
PHC. It is there at page number
B-
20, Lordship.
page number 20. Dholai BPHC, Kachar to Majuli as District Leprosy Officer.
Yes.
The brief facts of the case is that
No, Lordship, there is some correction is required, Lordship. That particular order was from Hailakandi.
no, but
The
right.
first order was
No,
to-
I'm not referring to
Yes.
that. I'm saying what you're assailing.
Okay.
You're assailing the order of 7/9/24.
Exactly.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So 7/9/24 is from Dholai to Majuli.
But they have mentioned is that from Hailakandi to this one.
Is it?
Yes, Lordship. Page number 32.
SDM HO.
Page number 32, Lordship.
I am in page 32. Where do I get your reference?
The last, this Dr. Dilip Pal, Superintendent SK Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi, present place of posting to modify.
Where
place of
are
posting.
you reading in 32? Oh, it's here.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. From the post of Superintendent Civil Hospital, Hailakandi.
Yes.
Superintendent SK Roy means?
Yes. SK Roy, name of the.
So I'll mention that.
Yes,
No,
my lord.
SK Roy Civil
Civil
Hospital.
hospital.
SK Roy Civil.
From the post of Superintendent, SK Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi to Majuli as District Leprosy Officer. This is correct?
Yes, Lord.
Mujipala? The brief facts of the case is that the petitioner, while he was discharging his duties as SDM and HO, Dholai BPHC, he was transferred to SK Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi to officiate as superintendent by order dated 13/3/2024, issued by the respondent number 2. It is the specific case of the petitioner that since the health condition of the father of the petitioner was very critical during that period of time. He had submitted representation to reconsider his transfer order, but instead of considering his predicament, the respondent number 2 issued show cause notice dated 8/7/2024. It is the further specific case of the petitioner that instead of further specific case of the petitioner that instead of considering the representation of the petitioner was finally promoted,
Yes.
was finally promoted to the post of superintendent by order dated that annexure 5,
Fourth.
by order dated 6/5/2024, and was directed to join his new place of posting, i.e. Hailakandi. Superintendent SK Roy Civil Hospital, Hailakandi. It is the further specific case of the petitioner that despite the reply to the show cause of notice, the petitioner, that the respondent authorities, by modifying the earlier transfer order dated 13/3/2024, transferred the petitioner to Majuli as district leprosy officer by order dated 7/9/2024. Situated thus, the present writ petition has been filed. During the pendency of the writ petition, upon moving the present writ petition, this court on 23/9/2024, while issuing notice to the respondents, was pleased to direct status quo as regards the posting of the petitioner at Hailakandi,
No, she did
at Dholai. At Dholai, wherein he was at that moment, from where he had not handed over charge till then. During the pendency of the writ proceedings, give me the I, and I being I number 3184 of 2025 has been filed. Stating that despite the status quo order, he has not been allowed to discharge his duties at Dholai BPHC as SDM and HO, and his salary has also been withheld.
Yes.
দুটা আছে নেকি? Huh? Is it? There are two IA. Is that two IA? Just have a look. Mr. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that despite representation to the effect that due to the health medical health condition of the father of the petitioner, it was not possible for the petitioner to leave his present place of posting at Dholai. The respondents have not considered the said representation and instead issued show cause notice for not joining the new place of posting. He further submits that despite the petitioner representing for foregoing the promotion as superintendent, the respondents and for foregoing the promotion of superintendent to the post of superintendent and continuing in his present place of posting at Dholai, the respondents, without considering the same, modified the earlier place of modified the transfer order dated date to কি মানে আছে 13/3/2024 and transferred the petitioner to Majuli as district leprosy officer, which is about how many hours? About Majuli from Dholai.
From Dholai to Guwahati, it will take around, by road, it will take around 12 hours.
He may not come to Guwahati.
No, from Guwahati then.
All right,
to
you find out.
Majuli.
Mr. Bora, give me an approximate time.
Yes, my lord, I find out.
About so many hours
Hours.
Yes,
to Majuli. Okay, by road. By road. I'm putting this in your submission, so you find out.
Yes.
Stop. He further submits that the respondents ought to have emphatically considered the representation submitted by the petitioner. However, and hence the impugned transfer order warrants
It is around 460
interference from this court. Stop. Yes.
460 kilometers, Lordship.
460 kilometer, about 460 kilometer. And Dholai to Hailakandi?
It is around 60 kilometers.
60. Okay. Per contra, Mr. Bora Lanet so-and-so submits that the impugned transfer order dated 7/9/2024, whereby the petitioner have been posted at Majuli as superintendent, is due to administrative exigencies and public interest, and hence the same ought not to be interfered by the writ court. He further submits that there being shortage of doctor at Majuli, the petitioner has been promoted there. Stop. He further submits that despite the petitioner having been earlier transferred to Hailakandi from Dholai, the petitioner did not join the set place of posting and instead protested the same from the earlier place of posting, including filing. No, litigation he did not file, that
No,
time.
at that point of time.
They continued protesting against the same and defying the lawful orders passed by the administration. He relies upon a decision of the apex court in the case of SC Saxena versus Union of India and others, reported in 2006, volume 9, SSC 583, wherein the apex court has strongly deprecated the conduct of a officer, of a government officer, government servant, disobeying a transfer order by not reporting at the place of posting and then going to a court to ventilate his grievances. In support of his submission that a writ court ought not interfere with the transfer order unless the same is shown to be vitiated by Malafites or in violation of any statutory provision or having been passed by an authority not competent to pass such an order. He relies upon a decision of the Apex Court in the case of State of UP and others versus Gobardhan Lal, reported in 2004, volume 11, SSC at page 402. He further submits that neither the petitioner has pleaded nor has been argued that the impugned transfer order is vitiated by Malafide or is in violation of any statutory provision or has been passed by an authority not competent to pass such an order.
Malafide is their lordship.
Stop.
In
It
the-
has to be proved.
Yes.
Yes.
There is no party respondent, my lord.
Heard peruse koidima. I have given my prudent consideration to the arguments advanced by the learned counsels appearing for the contending parties and have perused the materials available on record and have also duly considered the case law cited at the bar. The challenge in the present writ petition being the impugned transfer order dated 7/9/2024, whereby the petitioner have been transferred from SDM, from the post of SDM HO Dholai BPSC to Majuli as District Leprosy Officer, comma, it is well settled that comma, transfer being an incident of service, transfer not only being an incident of service, but also implicit as an essential condition of service, comma, unless the order of transfer is shown to be an outcome of a Malafide exercise of power or violative of any statutory provision, within bracket, an act or rule, or passed by an authority not competent to do so, an order of transfer cannot lightly be interfered with as a matter of course or routine for any or every type of grievance sought to be made. Stop. Within bracket, refer State of UP and others versus Gobardhan Lal Supra. In the said in the said case, in Gobardhan, in the said decision of the Apex Court, in the case of Gobardhan Lal Supra, the Apex Court stated that even administrative guidelines for regulating transfers or containing transfer policies at best may afford an opportunity to the officer or servant concerned to approach their higher authorities for redress, but cannot have the consequence of depriving or denying the competent authority to transfer a particular officer servant to any place in public interest and as is found necessitated by exigencies of service, as long as the official status is not affected adversely and there is no infraction of any career prospects such as seniority, scale of pay, and secured emoluments. It is in that backdrop, the apex court in that case reiterated that the order of transfer made even in transgression of administrative guidelines cannot also be interfered with, as they do not confer any legally enforceable rights, unless the same is shown to be vitiated by mala fides or is made in violation of any statutory provision. There is no quarrel to the proposition that the writ court ought not substitute their own decisions in the matter of transfer for that of competent authorities of the state, and even allegations of mala fides, when made, must be such as to inspire confidence in the court or are based on concrete materials and ought not to be entertained on the mere making of it or on consideration born out of conjectures or surmises, and except for strong and convincing reasons, no interference could ordinarily be made with an order of transfer. In the present case, upon reading the allegations pleaded, and in the present case, upon reading the averments made in the writ petition, there appears no concrete material as regards allegations of mala fides. Rather, the same are vague and rather the same is are a mere ball statement. Stop. The specific ground challenging the transfer order as pleaded in the petition is that due to the genuine health condition of the petitioner's father, the petitioner could not comply with the transfer order and accordingly had been representing before the respondent number 2. However, the respondent number 2, instead of emphatically considering the representation, issued show cause notice to the petitioner on 8/7/2024. Charging the petitioner with negligence of duties, insubordination, indiscipline, gross misconduct, dereliction of government duties and responsibilities, breach of government rules and regulation, violation of Rule 3 of Assam Service Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964. And thereafter modified the earlier posting of the petitioner to Hailakandi from Dholai to that of Majuli. In the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2, it is clearly stated that despite the petitioner having been transferred to Hailakandi, which is about 60 kilometers, which is at about 60 kilometers distance from Dholai, the petitioner did not join his place of posting and disobeyed the transfer order. And stop. It is further evident from the affidavit of opposition that the subsequent transfer order has been necessitated due to administrative exigencies and public interest, inasmuch as there is scarcity of medical officer at Majuli Hospital, at the civil hospital.
No, my lord, he is the district leprosy officer.
At Majuli, at Majuli.
Yes, my lord.
But they have not placed any record with regard to that.
I have said what is there in the pleading. The aforesaid stand of the respondent does not appear to be unreasonable. No, don't say this. This court cannot be unmindful of the conduct of the petitioner, inasmuch as despite the petitioner having been transferred to Hailakandi from Dholai, where he has been serving since 1989, chose not to join the set new place of posting and instead continued representing and protesting from the earlier place of posting by going on leave after leave and thereafter remaining absent unauthorizedly, and also by unilaterally joining at Dholai. Such conduct of the petitioner has been strongly depreciated by the Apex Court in SC Saxena Supra. The instant case being filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, such conduct of the petitioner also disentitled the petitioner for grant of equity in favor of the petitioner.
This will otherwise give some sort of adverse impact. So if I submit my
I will modify later on.
Yes.
Let me just complete now. As neither the petitioner has seriously alleged any malafides nor any such case having been made, this court does not find any ground to interfere with the impugned transfer order. However, considering the fact that the petitioner is petitioner due to the medical health condition of his father, who is how many, how old is
91
he?
years, Lordship,
Who is 91 years old
at that point of time, last year.
at that relevant point of time. In the event the petitioner represents before the respondents after joining his posting at Majuli, the respondent shall shall consider the same in accordance with law. It is needless to be clarified that in the pending IA as regards withholding the salary of the petitioner, the respondents shall release the salaries of the petitioner after the petitioner joins the post, joins his place, joins at Majuli in accordance with law. Huh, Mr. Bora?
Yeah.
In accordance
The
with law.
fact is that, Lordship, I was supposed to I was supposed to be allowed to join that particular place of posting, Lordship, because I was there at Dholai when the status quo order was passed, because at that point I did not join. So the status quo order, that is the reason why, Lordship, on the last occasion I pointed out about the other IA with regard to the fact that the respondent authorities are not allowing the petitioner to join at Dholai. So they are.
Dholai, I am not concerned.
Yes, my lord.
I am not concerned with Dholai. I am not concerned with Dholai.
No, what about the period?
I am not concerned with all that.
Because the
That you take up with the authority. I have said it will be released in accordance
No,
with
the-
law.
no,
I am not going
they have
into all
not, they have
that.
not taken into account the
Mr.
stay order, the
Chaudhary,
status.
I am
quo,
not going into that.
Because
However, the respondent shall also be kept in mind, shall keep in mind that this court, while issuing notice in the present writ
Exactly.
petition by way of a status quo order, had protected the petitioner as far as his posting at Dholai is concerned.
yes.
Dismissed with the aforesaid objections, or you say disposed of with
Disposed of.
the Silova.
It will give some hope for the petitioner.
Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, all disposed of pending IAs. I have just put it together. I'm not filed right.
With regard to the salary part, Lordship, this
I have said it here.
no, Lordship, some time frame may be given to consider.
Nothing. Next.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 10.
You know, let's hide him maybe. Yes, Mr. Viswas.
This matter pertains to payment of non-payment of pension to the minor
Yes.
son of the my lord.
Why pension not paid, ma'am?
The second wife,
Hmm?
the second wife's minor son, my lord, and he is perhaps appearing for the department. And the first wife, my lord, even after receipt of notice,
Ms. Sharma?
Lordship, this instruction is of 2024, Lordship,
Hmm.
and as per this instruction.
Updated instructions not there.
Not there,
So
Lordship.
you get it.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Cholia?
As per this instruction, Lordship, if I may, the name of the petitioner who is claiming to be the second wife of the
Hmm.
late husband,
Hmm.
there is neither any documented in the service record nor in the family.
I'll
detail-
take it up then, you put it by way of an affidavit.
Lordship.
All right.
Lordship, I am appearing.
All right, just give your names, likhe diba naam khini upar, and give a date after a week and let them file affidavit, the department file affidavit bringing the up-to-date instructions on record.
We have an instruction of 12 of March 2025
For what?
for Accountant General because.
So you file an affidavit, ma'am.
Okay.
Why are you not filing your affidavit?
Lordship, actually, I am appearing on behalf of the non-standing council.
Whatever, instructions have to be filed, they have to know. Okay, say that, take it turn namtu koi diba that, and so who has received instruction in the matter, let the instructions be placed on record by way of an affidavit. Yes, next, I'll have to rise, so Di dia, baki kina di dia?
Much obliged.
There is a pronouncement at 1 in the DB. Yes, next matter 11, instructions, pension, anything? Yes, item 11, none appears after 2 weeks. Item 12, affidavit in opposition has been filed. Item 12, none appears, Mr. Barbhuya, none appears for the respondent. Almohan. And none appears for the respondent, affidavit in opposition not filed.
Earlier to affidavit opposition filed, but subsequent instruction was supposed to.
Okay, this, then none appears and release next week date Didiba. Next.
Item 14.
Yes, yes,
Lordship, here, Lordship, they have to file a affidavit, Lordship.
you filed.
Lordship, I'm paying for respondent number 5 in this case with a BDC. Lordship, as far as my understanding goes, we don't have the main role in this case because the.
Who is filing the instructions affidavit?
Lordship,
Because they took time, Lordship, to file
it was
it.
not.
All right, I think the other party is
Other
not here.
party
So
is-
Telugu Nam to Deepala,
We are paying for respondent
none
number 5.
appears for the, which is the other respondent? The other respondent, you have for 5.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
5.
R5, his name and the rest respondent not represented and release next week at that date detail. Next week, huh?
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Bora, there's no time for your matter now, yes?
But if they have filed a affidavit,
You'll file a reply?
basically it's a non-adversarial because
Are you going to file any reply?
for the timing, no,
Okay, so I'll fix it next week.
next week.
All right, then heard Mr. BP Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. SP Sharma, learned standing counsel appearing for the respondent APDCL. A affidavit kon aha nahi niki yat. Mr. Sharma, learned standing counsel APDCL have submitted that an affidavit in opposition has been filed.
On yesterday.
Yesterday, I so and so. However, the same is not on record. A copy of the same has been received by Mr. BP Bora. Released when?
22nd.
On such and such date, let registry verify and place the affidavit filed by APDCL on record.
22nd.
All right?
Wish you
Yes,
happy
yes,
Bihu.
yes. You will get it. Huh?
Wish you happy Bihu, man.
Happy Bihu to all of you.
Thank you.